I am going to show you another wig that I got from Glamvigor, and this is GLP 049. And look at these beautiful curls in this wave pattern for elegance. And it's great because it's also their hybrilla, which is fiber, which is a human hair fiber. It's a blend of human hair and Japanese fiber. It's a blend. So you get the best of both worlds. It's soft. The human hair just gives it the softness. The Japanese fiber is going to help maintain this curl pattern for a long time. So I wanted to show you it just right out of the box. I haven't cut the lace yet. You can see here, it comes with this lace that I will cut away. I'll go off camera and cut the lace, and then we'll try it on. It has a center part, closed wefting, and it has these combs for extra security if that's what you're looking for. I wear wig grip a lot of times. You don't have to, but get a really great fit. This is an average size, which means it's 21 to 22. But if you're smaller, you can tighten these in here. You can see, just pull them closer and it'll bring it in tighter. It also has a comb in the back that can slide into your bio hair or under a wig grip. Also on the sides, if you want that more sliding under, also under the wig grip or into your bio hair. But I just love it. It's a beautiful color, and it's I would call it a medium gray. It's not dark, it's not bright, it's not a bright light. There's a lot of brown that you can see mixed in here, which I think is what gives it the definition. It definitely here in camera, because of the sunlight coming through here, I'm standing in front of a big window, balcony window, and it reads cooler in the camera lighting. So trust me when I say it's a beautiful, it is not shiny. I'm not going to actually put any dry shampoo on it, because any shine that you're seeing is just coming from the reflection of the sun, and it doesn't need it. It's a beautiful, because of the human hair in there and how much brown is also in here. You get a lot of definition. It's not a flat gray. And I just love the curl. I want to show you too something about the ear tabs, and it's because they're so light, especially as gray haired ladies, right? It's nice to have this really lightness. Also, then here it's more of a mesh, which you're going to get a lot more breathability in that purpose. And we're just going to cut this lace. The lace goes all the way down behind right down here to the ear. So it's going to be really undetectable that you're wearing a wig. Let me go cut the lace and come back and we'll put it on. We've put it on. I want to show you some of the ways that I'm going to blend this in. Look at the curl pattern though already, right? Beautiful volume, classy, elegant, feminine. So see how what I do, I have bio hair. So if you have some silver bio hair, just take that and then look at that. Look at that, how that makes it look so much like your natural hair, right? So that's going to help if you're wanting to pull it back and you're wanting to do a half up, half down look. That's one of the ways to trick it and do it in there. So I just absolutely love this. I am going to say that this lace is a medium color. It's not a, the bright or the really, really light. The lace is darker, so you may want to cut it back further. And if the lace is darker, is to put some powder on it. Use some powder, some light hair powder. And I'm going to go get some, and I think I'm just going to show you what I'm talking about. But look at this already. She's gorgeous. This is such a great wig, because Glamvigor offers budget-friendly quality wigs that are synthetic, and this hybrilla, which is human blend and Japanese blend. It's just absolutely so soft and feels so good. You know how I think when something has human hair in it, to me it feels really good on the skin. It just feels soft against your skin, and I really like that. So you can see exactly what we're talking about. It's pretty, right? And I'm going to leave you details in below. When you ask for a link or you click the link to go to this, That's where you're going to be able to look at it and see what the length of the wig is and all the specific details and pricing. Right now I know that this is right before Mother's Day, so they have already a 15% off sale going on. So imagine this around $139 and you're going to get 15% off. So this is a nice budget friendly if you're looking for a beautiful classic, especially Mother's Day is coming up, right? This will be a perfect wig to wear. All right, so I'm gonna go get that powder. I wanna show you that tip and trick on this. Now let's take some of this white powder and I'm gonna show you how you can blend like that your own white hair if it looks a bit thin to come into your own hair like that, which really makes it undetectable. And then I'm just going to pat this on up here around this lace. This lace is a little bit darker. So if you're super fair skinned, you're going to want to cut it back really close, very close to the hairline. And then just be very careful. But see how this white powder really helps disguise and make that lace disappear. See, just like that. See, it's a little bit darker down here, so just tap some of the white powder on. I'll link a white powder down below for you. And just like that, you've blended it into your silver gray hair. This is a great tip, and I think you can use this on a lot of your wigs when you're really trying to up the game of making your wig look super realistic. This is one of my suggestions. So again, this is Glamvigor GLP 049, and she's really pretty. She's budget friendly. You're going to be able to get a lot of use out of her. Like I said, because this hairline, because this goes back, since that lace goes all the way, you're going to be able to get some nice styles with it. And even using maybe a claw clip. Going to pull that down. You can pull out some of the hairs, and since I don't have to worry about it, since I have gray hairs, white hair, that is going to show even better if some a little bit sticking out. So you can pull it in it, you know, summer's coming, so it means you can pull it in and updo like that with a scrunchie, or use a claw clip, twist it some, put a claw clip in it. That will be really cool and great for the summer. This is great feeling fiber. And like I said, if you want to half updo, just pull that part back. Of course, you'll sleek it, you know, really smooth it down a lot. And get a great half updo. This is a really beautiful wig, GLP 049 from Glamvigor, and I'll leave you a link. Or if we're over here in Instagram, be sure and say, Mel B, please send me a link, message it to me, because if you put in the comment, unless you and our friends, I can't send you a link. But if you message me, it'll go into Messenger and I can talk to you back.